Okay, so for those that don't know, I'm Nate Cowell. I'm App Dev 3. Today I'm talking about Chocolatey. Should be short and sweet, pun intended. I'm sure a lot of you know about Chocolatey since the laptop refresh. It might be fresh in your mind. For those that don't know, this is a piece of software I use for automating software installs at work and at home. So what is Chocolatey? Well, I'm going to just read this. It's a machine-level command line package manager and installer for Windows software. It uses the NuGet packaging infrastructure and Windows PowerShell to simplify the process of downloading and installing. So why should you use it, or why would you use it? I found there's a significant time savings on installs, especially if you're doing a whole suite of software. It has complete software coverage, so it doesn't only manage Windows installs. It manages scripts, zip files, internal software. There's a cost savings, so the product is free, but also the time savings that you get out of it is free. That's a direct cost savings. So I'm going to exaggerate a software install a little bit here, but to kind of expand on why Chocolatey gives you benefit. So in the traditional software installation process, you have to go out to the web, find the installer, you have to run the installer, you have to babysit the wizard, click a bunch of accept buttons, accept a bunch of terms of service. You might find out that there's a dependency you need, and if that's the case, then you have to repeat steps 1 and 3 for those dependent softwares. Now, if we compare that to Chocolatey, there's really only one step. Run Choco install, and it takes care of all that work for you. It will download dependencies, it installs the proper architecture, it downloads the install file and actually installs it for you. This little demo here, I'm installing Firefox, and you can see it with one command it did all that work for us. It doesn't only do installs, it also does upgrading and uninstalling, and it's just as easy as you can see here. What else can it do? Well, you can use it to create a repeatable install script. So I would think, like, for our build agents, we want every build agent to maybe have all the same software. So you can create an install script with Chocolatey, run that one or many times on all your build agents. It easily handles software upgrades. So on the last slide, you saw it upgrade Firefox, but you can also do Choco upgrade all, and it will upgrade all of your installed software that you install with Chocolatey. You can create your own Chocolatey packages. This is not something I've done, but it is an option for you. I would think if you had like internal software that you wanted to pack up and install, you could do that with this. How do I use Chocolatey? I mentioned it a few times. This is all the software I have that I installed during our recent laptop refresh. The beauty of this is I can kick this off, leave for the day, and I come back in the morning and everything's installed. I don't have to babysit any installs. I don't have to hit any confirms. It will handle all that for you. There are alternatives as well. In 2020, Microsoft created WinGet. I have not worked with it a whole lot, but the little bit I have, it has the same look and feel as Chocolatey. So if you like Chocolatey, but you want to use WinGet instead, maybe it's basically the same. I will say the package ecosystem isn't as good as Chocolatey because Chocolatey has been around longer. The desktop engineers have recently started using WinGet for all their WinStore application or Windows Store applications. So if you have questions on WinGet, they would be the team to talk to for sure. I told you to be short and sweet, so here's some useful links, QR code to these slide decks if you want those links. Other than that, any questions?
You mentioned the refresh. do we have any information about how our policies of using Software Center overlap with this as far as installing specific applications?
Guess I'm not sure on that.
Okay, just was wondering if you were talking.
No, I didn't. No.
Okay.
I would just say that yeah, as a local admin, like these will work fine, right? To install
Right,
items
like I can do it on my
Yeah.
dev box either way, but we have some policies and procedure stuff that I don't.
ideally,
I'm not
we
ready
get as
to
much
follow.
as we can in Software Center at the same time, like packaging. Visual Studio isn't always the smoothest thing, right? So it's probably something we'll look to, like, as we look more at Winget, like, can we automate some of that stuff to make builds easier in the future, but.
And that is a good point. I don't know if like the Software Center software gets manually updated or whatnot. So like Visual Studio's 2022. I don't know if it's applying security patches or if someone has to put that on Software Center. Whereas with Chocolatey, if you run that Choco install, it's always the latest secure version. So, but if there's no other questions, that's all I had.